Today we're gonna play anomalous coffee machine. I typed in cancel. Let's see what she would get. Well, I can see a baddie. What you face it get? Nah, shorty ain't a baddie. She might get a blue tang. Sure, shorty. Never mind. No. Get me away. Far away. File. I'm not trying to read this. You. Are you the son of my wife? Because you have to stay 1 million kilometers away from me. Get out of here. What? What do you mean your teeth? Those don't have... Oh. Why are you made out of teeth? How are you even connected together? What? Okay, you look a little bit more lateral, okay? But you just have to remove the eyes. Remove them. But not your main eyes. You. Cup of heaven. You need that. Okay? You definitely needed that. Okay? Hey, yo, yacht! It's a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Where do I buy you? Hell. What? What do you mean what's happening? Yeah! That's a level 10 yacht. I yacht to see the ending. Okay? Flax. Spicy. What? Hey yo. Hey, yeah! Lava, I'm giving you lava. Lava. What? Okay. Weaver, what the? Oh, Fred, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Oh. What do you mean she died? Also, how did you not die from fire and then you died from lava? That doesn't even make sense. Rabbit, I'll give you rabbit. Rabbit. What do you mean cup of death? What? What's going on here? What? Yeah! Crocodile. It's crocodile. Hey, I think Bonnie would like the other one. Like the bunny. Hey, yo, bunny, come here. Yo, yacht. Okay, bye, bunny. Okay, ew!